Good morning, boys and girls. Mr. West here with our first Writer's Workshop task for the week. We're going to stick with our theme of poetry. We've done a haiku poem. We've done a acrostic poem last week. And this week we are going to do a picture poem. So this is a super fun way to write poetry. You can write it about whatever you want. So before you begin, try to think of a topic. I did not write about space or planets for this poem. I didn't feel like it today. I wanted to write about something different. I wrote about my guitar, as you could see. So we'll get into that in a sec. First of all, though, you need to make sure you got your name. Make sure you got the date, Tuesday, June 16th. Today for me, 2020 or 2020. So for a picture poem, it's a pretty self-explanatory kind of thing. You're going to draw a picture of whatever you're writing about, and your poem, your sentences or your words are going to squeeze inside of your picture. And you could actually, if you want, you could actually have the words. I mean, you could even do an outline of words too, right? So I could have my words going around the guitar as well if I want to. If I want to draw my words around the guitar, that works too. You don't have to fill it. I chose to fill it. I'm going to just erase that because I don't want that there. I chose to fill the body of my guitar. So you can see the first thing I did is I took my blue marker here. And look, I actually erased some of it, so I'll redraw that. I took my blue marker and I actually drew an outline of my acoustic guitar. So I got my neck. I've got some of the frets there where I put my fingers. I've got the sound hole where all the sound comes out of, and I've got my my bridge here where the strings attached to from the head of the guitar, which I didn't have room to draw the head. It's a long neck, so I just got the bottom of the neck. And on the inside of the guitar with my green marker, I wrote some words, and all of my sentences relate back to what I drew. So all my sentences are about my guitar. So let's read them together and we'll see what I wrote. So follow my marker. 1, 2, 3. My guitar has 6 strings. I like to play country and rock music. I use a pick to make sounds on my guitar. Let's make some music together. So those are my sentences. I wrote 4 sentences there, but you can choose how many you write, however many it takes to either outline your drawing or to fill in your drawing. And you notice that my sentences, I did kind of write left to right with mine, but I did kind of have to make them fit inside of the body of the guitar. So you may have to kind of swirl your words around a bit more than what you're used to. So it's kind of fun to kind of decide how you want to design that. Once again, you pick the topic. So if you want to write about your cat, you can draw a picture of your cat and write a nice little poem, some sentences about your cat. If you want to write about, I don't know, if you want to write about space, if you want to draw a planet, if you want to draw about, say, the planet Jupiter, the one we talked about today, you could do that, and you can write your words inside the planet and talk about some things you know about Jupiter. I did share 2 books on Class Dojo about Jupiter, so if you're looking for some facts, that might be a good place to start to check it out. Anyway, that's my picture poem for today, boys and girls. I look forward to seeing what picture poems you boys and girls write about. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye.